Puma has announced its latest version of lace-up shoes just a few weeks after Nike introduced one of its own lace-up models. The shoes, called 5x Intelligence, are training shoes that can be adapted to the foot of a user by simply sliding a module on top of the tongue of the shoe. A micromotor pulls a pair of blue wires running through the sneaker, and the tension can be adjusted through a smartphone application or an Apple Watch. The shoes are the successors of the first lace-up sneakers wirelessly connected from Puma. They can be charged through a key wireless charging platform, and last around 5 days. Like Nike lace-up shoes, Fi does not have any follow-up ability to do things like record steps or measure calories burned, which is a bit disappointing. Even the recently reissued Puma RS-Computer shoes of 1986 could record distance, time and calories, but they had the cost of a thick heel. The feedback that Puma receives from the beta testers, the Fi will remain a shoe with laces for the time being. They will sell for $330 when they are launched in 2020.